There are a few fields that Tableau automatically creates. On the left, in my data pane, I have all of my columns that are in my data. A couple of them don't exist in my data. Orders count is not a column in Simple Superstore. Tableau created it automatically. I can drag that onto the view, and it tells me how many rows are in the data. So within West, there are 1,800 rows, 1,600 in East, and so on. Two other fields that are automatically generated by Tableau are Latitude and Longitude. If you have geographical data like region, it will have this world symbol. Tableau automatically creates latitude and longitude because it knows where each region, each state, and each city are on a map. Again, these are not included in your dataset. Tableau generates. There are two other fields that are automatically generated in Tableau: measure names and measure values. Again, these are not included in your data, but are automatically generated. Let's remove this from the view and add measure names and measure values so you can see what they're doing. Move measure names down to rows, get rid of show me, and you can see every single measure in your data is shown on the view.